everyone, I hope you're doing well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Claire. My channel is predominantly making jewellery, but I do share like days out sort of vlogs, anything that takes a fancy really. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, and if you're not subscribed, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Weekend just gone, we went to Brixham in South Devon, and it holds lots of memories for me because I think I was about 20 and my best friend moved down there. I didn't drive back then, I used to get a lift down with her dad. But I don't remember it being so blue. I mean, it's completely changed nowadays. This was in the olden days. You get inspired. So I am going to make this necklace. I won't put a clasp on it because it's going to be so long. It's going to just put it in my head. A mixture of glass and resin beads. So what I'm going to do, I've cut myself a very long piece of elastic. The beads are from my personal, what I call my personal stash. Right, let's give it a stretch. But you will find beachy beads, charms on the website, which I'll link below for you. So we'll just give this a stretch. And I'm just going to pop a clip on the end to stop the beads from falling off. So I'm using 0.6mm elastic, and I think we'll do this one. I'll put this to one side and we'll concentrate on this one and just start threading away. end of that one. And then we're just going to carry on with this one now. Too much elastic. I'm just going to cut some of that. It's way too long for tying. It's not heavy or anything. That's why I only use 0.6. So I'm going to do a surgeon's knot over twice and pull. We go one the other way. One for luck. I think I'm going to do another one the opposite way for luck as well. Snip off the end. There we go. And there we have our necklace. So what do you think? So thank you for watching, take care, and as always, happy crafting!